Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hope you guys are having a great week. Evan's over there, my brother. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to his channel. I have it linked down below. He's on his fancy dancy kayak today, and we are on the 10-foot boat. This is my dad's boat. My boat's over there, actually. But today we're using the little 10-foot Alumacraft. Got the little, what is that, a 3.5 Merc on there? A little 3.5 Merc, got the trolling motor. We're just doing some crappie fishing today, guys. We don't do this super often, but here when it starts to get cold, that's where it's at. You can see I'm wearing a shirt. It's not very cold right now, but believe it or not, this morning it was 39 degrees, so we'll see. We'll see if we can get some crappie. We got the Dock Demon. This is also Evan's. I didn't bring any of my own rods and stuff, but we'll see how this does. I think I've actually caught a lot of crappie on this little Dock Demon before, so we'll see. Stay tuned. He's on the kayak, we're on the little 10-footer, and see what we can catch. Battery dead? No. Let's go. The motor's working. I'm gonna let it out. We'll get out of here with the trolling motor. This thing, the trolling motor's kind of weak.
It's only like a 30-pound.
Oh yeah, it's only 30-pound thrust, I guess. Oh, this thing's fast. Oh shoot. All right, now that we're straight, we can use the big motor. Let me get out of the pads here. I'm gonna try. I haven't been on this boat yet, so. Come on, baby. Let's go. I know it's hot out here. All right, guys, we go ahead and grab ourselves a live minnow. Get him hooked through the mouth.
Can you chuck me a minnow from there safely?
Yeah. Ready?
No. Like when I need it. Because I've got a tie. We were pier fishing with it last.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, guy. All right. Got him. Was that the world's smallest bass?
No.
It was a bluegill?
I think it was a bluegill.
All right, well, we just had one. Feels a little bassy to me. It's not pulling drag, and I have it set so light. Can't tell. Yep, little bass. Dude.
Decent bass for that.
Don't shake, you're gonna break the line. I got him. Let's go. What the heck? He wasn't coming unpinned for nothing. On this tiny little crappie hook. Yeah. Nice little guy. Go ahead and take a picture and get him back in the water. All right, let's get our little guy in. Off he goes. Let's go! It's a big one! That's a big one, dude! One for the cooler. It's what we like to see. Who? Where?
It's right there.
Oh, I see it. Oh, mine's down.
You got it?
Got him.
Oh, we're eating good tonight.
I think it's a bass. It's fighting better than whatever I had last.
Alright, I'm gonna cast my
It's another bass.
That's okay.
I'm on bass duty right now. Another cute little guy. Am I recording? Yeah. Tiny little. It's really healthy though. And toss him back. Say what? Feels bassy. Oh, it's a crappie. Oh, it's a crappie. Questionable. We're about to find out.
You have a measuring tape?
No. All right, in the cooler you go. Nice. All right. Almost lost every one of our minnows there. No, he's little.
Okay.
He's wrapping me up in the other line. The crappie though. He's wrapped in the anchor. This is hectic. I got him. Got him.
Might come over to that grass.
Pretty little guy. A bass at the boat. Doubled up. Hope it's a crappie. It's a big one, I think. Actually, he's kind of small. Oh no. Oh, geez, this thing's huge. Bro. And I got my minnow. Why did you set the hook? It's a crappie, not a 9-pound bass. Another one in the box. Nice. Got him. Got him. Little bass. Little bass action. Little baby guy. All right, pretty little guy. I almost clipped him on the side of the boat. I'm 5 feet from you and there's no way it's just better. Oh, this one pulled a little drag. Oh, probably a bass, bigger bass maybe. Crappie. Good one, dude. Big old yellow one. Beautiful crappie.
I'm gonna pull my anchor and you can pull me too.
That works. What a beautiful fish.
Tell me when you're done with that. I'm around for that.
Okay.
Uh-oh. Here's the grass. Well, that's a good one.
I think it's a bass.
Fight it back.
Yeah, he's fighting good. There you go. Should be untangled. What is this?
It's a bass.
It's a good bass.
Decent bass. You can keep that.
Nah, we won't put him back. He's so skinny.
Yeah.
Dude, he looks like he's about to die. Dude, oh my gosh, look at this bass.
That's a nice bass.
Dude, he's like humpbacked.
Yeah.
Look how skinny he is. I'm gonna put minnows in this thing's mouth. Dude, this bass is all messed up. I don't want to keep him out of the water long. He barely fought. Here you go, bro. Have a couple minnows. Bye. I put him in his mouth, so hopefully he ate them. Have you seen him yet? Nice little bass. Don't let him do that. Let's go. Hawk demon! It looks like a crappie to me. Just trying to keep him out of this grass, man. I don't think this camera can see anything. What is it? It's a good bass, dude. Yeah, good one. Nice.
Cool. On the dock.
2.5 pounds on the dock demon, baby. Yes, sir. Hey man, these little red hooks are awfully sticky. You guys probably can't see this fish, but sure you can. Beautiful bass. Probably the last fish of the night. Gonna toss him back. Well guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. Had a lot of fun catching some crappie and some bass with Evan. If you made it this far in the video. Anyway, Evan will also be making a video as well, so go ahead and check out his channel as well. Anyway, I hope you guys really enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys on the next episode.